Shibanta jong jingraki yak jingdap repos nem jong Sankardev College long katnat political science, mathematics, statistics, but sociology menta kasi ka khatpratrik nailar kilapan long yak jingpun ko burom ki pulit penyai kali ka shillong traffic kinong tray ka shillong municipal board Meghalaya Nursing Council and the Trained Nurse Association of India Meghalaya chapter Hakane ka jingpun ko burom ka deputy commissioner ka is ka sales ka kong isa wanda lalu kalasim ya ka banta kung kakungsan haka jingdan lang rengkat bot ba Sylvester nong tenger u superintendent of police ka Shillong traffic police ba FB Khan executive engineer Shillong municipal board ka kong Lucky warba president ka Meghalaya Nursing Council bat ka kong Ivory Khardoj president jong ka Trained Nurse Association of India Meghalaya chapter hakane sgi la sakhi lang ru da kidkhot jong ka governing body kinong hikai harengkat lang bat kistamla puli jong ka ne ka college.
And at the outset, I wish to place on record my appreciation and my congratulations to the entire college fraternity, both in recognizing the people in the past, the founders, and the persons who have worked hard all those many years ago to make the college what it is today. We know that Sankardev College is a name that we know so much about, and as an educational institution, it has rendered tremendous service to the district and to the state as a whole. We have heard about its journey, we have heard about the many new initiatives that have come about from time to time, and indeed in these few years as well, the college has always lent a helping hand to the district administration in various programs, in various examinations from time to time, which we've had to conduct in this college, as well as during the COVID pandemic, in which we really, had the assistance of various stakeholders in society. I would like to congratulate you on attaining this wonderful milestone. 60 years is no mean feat. You are, in fact, older than the state, whose, golden jubilee we celebrate this year. And I want to salute all of you and to convey that it is an honor and a source of pride, I think, for all of you to be part of such a reputed institution. And each of you, whether as faculty members, as staff, or as students, have a critical role to play in building up our society, in imparting all-round education to our students, and in molding the future of our country. So once again, congratulations, and let us all give a big round of applause for this momentous occasion. When Madam Principal informed me about today's program, I thought it was one of the many routine activities perhaps that you are celebrating this entire year. I learned that on the 2nd of September you will be marking the 60 years jubilee of this college. But it was a pleasant surprise to learn that as part of this celebration, today is a unique initiative in which the college wishes to give back, in which the college wishes to celebrate not only itself and its journey, but in which it wishes to recognize the efforts of other stakeholders in our society who have rendered yeoman service, particularly in times of crisis. So it is with great gratitude that I come here as chief guest on this day when the college recognizes its place not just as an educational institution living in a silo, but in recognizing that we are one of many. We are living in a society wherein we all have a role to play, and various stakeholders come together, to make up the daily fabric of our existence. And without the efforts of many, we would collapse. So today, I am extremely thankful that the college has taken this initiative to laud and to commend the hard work and the achievements of the Shillong Traffic Police, the Shillong Municipal Board, the Meghalaya Nursing Council, and the Trade Nurses Association of India. We have been able to present them with a wonderful token, and we have also heard from the representatives of these departments. Truly, I wish to say that without these departments, without these communities in the society, we would be we would be very, very badly off indeed.